Hello everyone, this is a review on a vintage road bike produced in 1989 in Japan, the Fuji Ace Blaze. That is a really nice retro bicycle nowadays with its lightweight and comfortable seating. Fuji Ace has 2 front gears and 9 rear gears. Front gears have 42 and 52 toes and from 11 to 32 toes on the rear gears, which gives bike good acceleration at the start and nice speed. Shifters are located on the bicycle frame, which is pretty normal for road bikes that period of time. Rear gear shifter is equipped with Akku switch technology. So the Akku switch technology was developed in 1986 for easier gear shifting. Gear switch with this technology has fixed position for each gear, while the O switch needs cyclist to find this position himself mid-ride, which is inaccurate, annoying and kind of dangerous. Anyway, front gear switch does not have this technology cause it has only 2 gears and doesn't need it. Now I want to tell about the frame. The frame of the Fuji Ace Blaze is made from chrome molybdenum steel. This material is light and durable, which is great for this type of bikes. The frame shape is good and comfortable for both short and tall people. Also, bicycle has 26-inch wheels. Now a little about brakes. Fuji Ace Blaze has a V-brake system which is, on my opinion, isn't great, but it's pretty common for that year's road bikes. Anyway, on my opinion, Fuji Ace Blaze is a good bicycle with good speed, construction, gear shifting system and not bad brakes. I would actually recommend Fuji Ace Blaze 1989 for buying to people that like classic retro design mixed with great performance and construction. In the next videos I will try to repair my Fuji, so would be nice if you subscribe, like and comment this video. See you later.